Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, we're going to be opening some surprise balls from Miniverse Make It Mini Appliances Series 1, as well as some Miniverse Make It Mini birthday balls from Series 1. Let's start with the mini appliances. I'm not sure what the current price of these are. I did purchase these several months ago. I believe it was at the end of spring, and I paid regular price for these. It was somewhere between $12 and $13. And the good thing about these, you do know which one you're getting. Is right on the packaging. So this is the soda machine, and you can see it says soda on the sides. And you can see the items that you're supposed to get with this kit. Before I finish opening the surprise ball, I do think I need a larger table than our breakfast nook table. So I'm going to use this one. You get this packaging, and it looks like it has all of our smaller items inside of it. So let's open this up. And I'm not using any of the resin that comes with these. I just prefer not to. So it looks like this has our cup holders. And our cups. So you get 2 cups. And 2 lids. Here's our lid. And the lids do fit on the cups. And we get 2 straws. And the straws fit in the cup, and the cups fit in the cup holder. We also get this coaster. It says made fresh. I think it's blank on the other side. I wonder if we might be able to use that as artwork. And we get another container. It has ice cubes on the packaging. And it looks like this one holds our resin and something else. Here's our resin, which acts as our soda. It is lemon lime. We get 2 small coasters that say Sun Fizz Co. A bag of ice. And here's our machine. It comes in 3 parts. You have to put it together. And if we were going to use the ice and the resin would go into this side and the ice goes into this side. This is such a cute miniature. You can see that it says Sun Fizz Co. on the front, 100% bubbly, lemon lime soda on this side, and ice. And you do have some buttons here that you can press to dispense your beverage and your ice. And you have details like the drainage grate at the bottom. And this is finished all the way around. You can see keep cool, and there's little vents on the side, as well as some vents in the back. So it does dispense the ice. It only gives you 2 ice cubes at a time, so you have to keep pressing it if you want some more. Here's the second Make It Mini appliance, and it looks like we have the pink juice. I know these all come in 2 different styles. So there it is. There is one with a yellow juice, and I believe there's a orange juice as well. And the soda machine comes in multiple colors also. Let's take a quick look at the collector's guide. We just opened the red soda machine. It also comes in a blue. I have the blue espresso machine, which comes in a pink version also. There is a purple milk tea machine and I think this is pink or peach milk tea. And we have the pink juice and the yellow juice. I thought there was an orange one as well, but I guess not. And then there's instructions on how to put our machine together. With our juice machine, we get another coaster. We get a pink package that says juice on it. And this has our cups. So it looks like we have another cup holder. With the juice machine, we get 2 cups, a cup holder, and 2 straws. The cups are slightly different than the ones that come with the soda machine, but the straws and the cup holder are the same. Here's the second package, and I'm assuming this one holds the ice and the juice. We get 2 mini coasters that say keep cool, a bag of crushed ice. Here's our bottle of juice, and it looks like we got lemon juice. Our juice machine comes in 4 pieces, so we do have to assemble it, but it doesn't look very hard, and I thought we were getting the pink one. I double checked the packaging and it does show the pink one, but I guess that doesn't mean that's necessarily the one you're going to get. Here's the machine assembled. You just had to put on the drainage grates and the top of the juice container. I am not going to use the resin or this crushed ice because it is like a fine powder and I don't want that going all over the place in my craft room. Just like the soda machine, this has a lot of details. I really like this one. And you can see all of the vents going around. And I really like that the juice here is just paper. So if I wanted to change it to orange juice, I can just change the color of the paper. Now let's open some Make It Mini birthday surprise balls. I found these at a Walmart for $3. So we have our stand. It just snaps together. We have some crushed ice, so I'm assuming it's a drink. And in this tissue paper, we have sun-baked sweets. Looks like a heart-shaped cookie. And we have, what is this? Sprinkles maybe? Yes. Sprinkles. This is a cute little jar. And the sprinkles inside, they're pink, blue, and yellow. Based on what we've already gotten, I think this is going to be the rainbow shakes. And in this package, we have whipped cream. And I think there's little whipped creams inside. Oh, they have plastic over it. Let me take this off. So I took the plastic off and we have whipped cream with cherries on top. And here we have, I'm guessing utensils. Yes. So we have the tongs. Here are the tongs out of the packaging. We have a little frosting knife. And 2 pink and white straws. And we have another packaging. And it looks like these are our glasses. We get 2 of these glasses. And you can see that the light creates all of these different colors on it. The paper that the glasses were wrapped in looks like a little pink and white newspaper. It says mini post. And there's all these ads for party items. Here's our last bag. And this is our resin. We have strawberry milkshake. I forgot to show you guys a close-up of the cookies. They're just heart-shaped. Look like little sugar cookies. I think all the items that came in this surprise ball are very cute. And they're all perfect for the dolls. Let's open up another ball. We got another stand. 2 coasters. And in here we have, looks like the heart-shaped cookies again. We might have a double. So we have whipped cream. I'm thinking it's a double, guys. Let's open up the bag with resin and that'll tell us for sure. Yep, we got a double. It was definitely a double, but I'm not upset about it. Let's open up number 3. I can tell by the stand that this one is definitely a different one. The bottom of the stand is yellow and the top of it is a darker pink than the previous ones. We have 2 coasters. And here we have, I like the paper, donut topper. So I'm going to go out on a limb here and say we got donuts. So this slides off and you can open them So our little toppers look like grass or some sort of plant. I'm assuming our donuts are in this box. It says just baked, sun baked sweets, and there's donuts printed on it. Let's see here. Yep, there's our donuts. Here's a close-up of the donuts, and they do have some texture on them. They look really good. And here we have, I think it's some kind of plate. Oh, it's a tray with palm leaves on it. In our next package, we have white chocolate chips. And they're teeny tiny. So I'm not going to open this up, but this is going to look good in the doll kitchen. We have a party favor. It says Sunny Day Party, Party Decor. And I don't want to open this, guys. It's one of those tabletop decors that fold open and it looks like a pineapple. I just really like it in the packaging. It's so cute. And I know some of you guys want to see me open it. So I'm just going to put a picture on the screen of one that has been opened. And by the look of this bag, I'm going to guess it's a plate and fork and knife. Oh, no plate. But we have our tongs. Here's the little plastic tongs. And this time the frosting knife is yellow and silver. And this must be our resin. So it looks like there's two things in here. So we got our glaze for the donuts and a nozzle to go on top of it so we can be more precise when glazing the donuts. So we got the pineapple donuts, and you can see the pineapple open there. And once you put the topper and the white chocolate chips on the donuts, they look like little pineapples. And they have that out. Does that come out? So I think this comes out. Oh yeah, it does. So we can have just a plain tray. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.